Hello student, this is Pallav Dabari, your host, and you are watching Pallav Dabari classes. This is 9th chapter, Business Studies Class 12th, Financial Management. This is the second volume of the chapter Financial Management. Let us see the topic that we will discuss in this video. In this video, we will discuss financing decision, investment decision, and dividend decision. The financial management takes financial decisions under three main categories. What are those three categories? Investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. So the financial managers takes financial decision on investment decisions, financing decisions, and dividend decisions. Let us discuss the investment decision first. Listen, investment decisions are the financial decision taken by the management to invest fund in different assets with the aim of earning the highest possible returns for the investors. What we do under it? Firstly, we evaluate the various possible investment opportunities, and after that, select the best option. Example, if the person wants to start the business, the person will figure it out the different available business options available to him. For example, he is having the available option A to do A business, to do B business, to do C business. He should critically analyze every business opportunities available to him on the basis of positive and on the basis of negative points. And then he should select the best option on the basis of credit rating. What it means? It means he should select the investment opportunities on the basis of maximum positive points and minimum negative points. Listen, the investment can be long term as well as the investment can be short term. The long term investment decisions are decisions which are related to investment funds for the longer period, and taking decision relating to the longer period is called capital budgeting decision. It has the effect on the asset and liability of the company. So it is called capital budgeting decision. The short term investment decision are also called working capital decision. Why? Because it is related with the day to day working of a business enterprise. Now let us discuss the factors affecting the capital budgeting decisions. The first factor is cash flow of the project. What it means? It means whenever a company is investing huge funds in the investment proposal, the proposal should be analyzed properly. The investor should check how much return he will get. What it means? It means he should check while investing the money, the cash flow will be affected or not. I try to explain it through the example. Suppose the person want to invest the money on the machinery. So before investing the money on the machinery, he should check while investing the money, will the income increase or not. If the income will not increase while investing the money on the machinery, he should quit the plan. Or if the investment income should increase, then he should continue or he should invest the money. That is called cash flow of the project. So before investing the money, he should critically analyze whether the investment has the positive effect on the cash flow of the project or not. The second is return on investment. It means that we know that every investor is having the investment proposals. So he should critically analyze every investment proposal and he should select that investment proposal where the return is maximum. That is ROI. The next one is risk involved. The company must try to calculate the risk involved in every proposal and should prefer the investment where the risk is minimum. The next factor is investment criteria. What it means? It means the availability of the labor, input, technology needed in the investment. What it means? It means, suppose, as I told you earlier, the person want to start up the business. He is having three options available to him. He can do business A, business B, business C. While selecting the business, he should check whether the availability of the labor is with him or not, whether the input needed to do a business is available to him or not, whether the technology needed to do a business is available to him or not. That is called investment criteria. It means that before investing the money, he should check the availability of the labor, input, technology needed in the investment. Now let us see the importance of long-term investment. See, long-term investment or the capital budgeting decision is very important. Why? Because of these three reasons. The first is it directly affects the profitability of the business enterprise. Since it directly affects the profitability of the business enterprise, so he should take this long-term investment decision very seriously. The second is why he should take the capital budgeting decision very seriously, because it affects the size of the assets, it has the effect on the scale of operation, and competitiveness of the business depends upon it. So he should take the things very seriously. The last importance is it involves huge amount of investment which remains blocked in the fixed asset for the longer period, and the decision is irreversible. So he should take the long-term investment decision very seriously after critically analyzing every if and but. Now let us see the short-term decisions. Now we will see the importance of the short-term investment decisions. The first importance is it affects the liquidity and the profit earned in the short run. When I say liquidity, it means it affects the availability of the funds all the time in the hands of the businessman, and it affects the profitability as well. The next importance is the efficient decision helps to maintain short-term working. The short-term investment decision is very important. Why? Because it affects the sound working capital, which affect the efficiency of the business. That's all I have in this video. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Dear subscribers, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new video, you get the notification.